Before we ever entered Shenandoah National Park, we found this incredible mountain overlook just outside Luray, Virginia, and it turned out to be one of the highlights of our entire camping trip. We stayed at Spacious Skies in Luray, Virginia, and it's surrounded by a beautiful scenic cow pasture. We're also going to Shenandoah National Park, along with Shenandoah River State Park in Virginia, so let's go! Before heading out to explore the area, let's take a quick look around Spacious Skies Campground. As you drive up the hill, you'll pass the check-in office, 2 swimming pools, and the propane station, the dumpster, and a large dog park. The campground offers a variety of spacious campsites, including some with peaceful views overlooking the cornfield. Our site was tucked away in a quiet area, and right in the center of the campground, you'll find the playground and jump pad, perfect for kids to burn off some energy. Before we ever entered Shenandoah National Park, we stumbled across this incredible mountain overlook just outside Luray, with sweeping views of the Blue Ridge Mountains and the winding road that brought us here. It quickly became one of the highlights of our entire trip. So Bailey is being a good boy now because he's wearing his Thunder shirt. Totally different dog when he wears his Thunder shirt. Right now we're on our way to the Shenandoah Parkway. We're going to go to the visitor center and get our stamps. We're going to check out some overlooks because it's too hot to go on any hikes today. But it's still going to be fun just to see the beautiful park. We love going to Shenandoah. Feels magical coming here. That's why we keep coming back. So we've had a very fun time visiting Luray, Virginia. It's such a beautiful place. We stopped at Shenandoah River State Park, checked out the overlook in the summertime. We went in the wintertime, and we also footage that on our channel if you want to go back and see what it looks like in the winter. But we wanted to compare the differences for seasons, and it did look very different. And we went to Shenandoah National Park, went to some beautiful overlooks, and the visitor center, which was extremely packed, but we were very glad we got to go. And this morning we went to Edith's Gap Overlook in George Washington National Forest. But Luray has so much to offer, and the little town itself is historic, has some charming vibes to it. We're about to have a severe storm, so hopefully we make it to the camper without getting drenched. We're almost there. Made it back to the camper just in time before the storm hit. The wind came through really strong. It was tearing up people's awnings, and we got ours in just in time. Looks like we may or may not get rain and thunderstorm, but that was definitely some severe wind. Anyway, we're back in the camper. I'm about to do some dishes because I have not got those done yet. But first, I'm going to update our map and add New Jersey from that last trip that we took. When we got back from the store and the ice cream shop, we had this on our little step, on our Airstream step. So we got flamingoed. Thanks so much for joining us on another adventure. If you enjoyed this trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as we continue exploring one campground and one destination at a time.